How you two family? It's your girl, Lilcutenurse. Welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? I hope y'all guys having a blessed Sunday morning, because this is Sunday after church, 2 o'clock. Unless y'all, you know, one of them old churches like I go to where the preacher preached about 4 o'clock and you be going to sleep and waiting on him to get out of there. You know, that was too much. Yeah. I'm just saying. But yeah, I'm back with another. I just can't stop playing in this hair. With another review on this unit, which of course it is another, it's a wig, 100% human hair lace front, HH lace Resse. And I'm loving this hair. I am loving this hair. I had to get this color. Of course, this is not the color I wanted. This is not, no. I really wanted the shade that's on the hang tag. This, it looks like it's burgundy or, but it's two-tone. But whatever it was, it looked kind of like a 99J, but I couldn't find it. I searched everywhere for this, and I really couldn't find it. So, anyway, I don't know. Maybe this might be my color for a little while. I don't know. You think it go with me? Anyway, if you want to see the review, the specs, the ins and outs, the pros, the cons about this unit, please stay tuned and it will be right up. Stay blessed. I'll see you guys again. Bye. Okay guys, this is what the unit looks like in the package. Can't really see any pictures, but it's a wig. I'm not sure where her hang tag is. There it is. This is an old unit. This is by no means a new release unit. I just love it's a wig, the human hair premium mix units. This is what she looks like. This is the color I wanted, but I couldn't find it anywhere, and I searched all over for this unit everywhere, and I'll see if I can find her somewhere else. If not, you guys know where to Google. If I can, I'll put it down in the description. But I don't know, this blonde just might be okay. I might be able to rock a blonde girl. But this is what the inside of the cap looks like. She has 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and then the It's a Wig hang tag. See, that's what a majority of that blonde is, which makes me think I'm gonna be able to rock with this girl. So yeah, I don't know. It's number 4-ish looking stuff. I don't know, but I like the color, so I'm gonna go over here and grab some scissors and cut the lace off, and I'll be back. Okay, I have the lace off, and I don't know. This color is just throwing me. I really wanted the burgundy, but Baby Tigger reviewed this this hair years ago. I know at least 3 or 4 years ago, and I've been wanting it ever since. But I guess I waited too long because I wanted the burgundy in the back. And this is the old traditional hard lace. Okay, let's just pop her on. See what she looking like. Let me hook these little bra straps. And I think I never ordered her because she was saying that she had a little bitty head, and I know mine big, so we're gonna see. Let's just pop her on. Oh yeah, it's a good fit. Oh yeah, she's not tight until you try to pull her up. Oh yeah, she do got a little head. My head a little bit bigger than this. But if you disproportionately put her on, it's the stretch. That's what it is. It's the stretch. You gotta have her just right to get the right amount of stretch in this unit. I advise putting the head part on first because she got those stretchy things inside the cap. But she's still tight. Yeah, she's gonna be for a little bitty head. She is definitely gonna be for somebody with a smaller head. I see exactly what she was saying now. Even though she kind of lays right, but she just right on edge. You see that? She just fits right on edge. But she is definitely really, really pretty. Really pretty. And I didn't think I could pull off this. It's not even a number 4. She lighter than that. I'm thinking I need to pull out some baby hairs and cut some in here. But I think I can get away with just pulling some down on the side. Put a little concealer right here. So I can get me a kind of realistic part. I'll get a little bit more concealer. Yeah. That will help her out significantly. Okay. Yeah. I just like the curls of this. But she is small. She got a real small head. So if you got a small, tiny head and you always have problems with wigs being too big or sliding off, that's her only issue, because this hair, I absolutely love it. Let me let you guys see the back. It's just she's really natural looking. She's not too, what's the word, heavy. I don't know. I like her. I don't know if it, and she's still one of these units. I think it was like 38 bucks. And she really feels like my hair. Wow, I wonder if I could get away putting some 1B in here. This color could be okay. It could just be me. I just like how natural looking she is. I wish I had some gel or something over here by me, which I knew I was doing this video. I don't know why I didn't pick up something. But yeah, let me stop talking. This is what she looks like, guys. Again, this is HH Lace Reese. The color is LX. Let's focus. LX3316. She's sophisticated. That's what she is. Okay, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed.